0716119, and I'm from Diploma in Multimedia. Today I'm here with my partner.
Hi, my name is Ina Shafidin Sharon. My ID number is 012020072238. My course program is DMM. So today I will present the paper and I will explain one by one. First, I start with the background of the project.
Which is the background of project is when we promoting the culture of Kelantan, and we in order to promote the culture of Kelantan, we put 3 topics that involves with the Kelantan, which is the traditional games, musical traditional, and food traditional. Yeah. So from there,
for the objective is to ensure students to learn about the Kelantan culture so that they can gain knowledge of the state, culture, history, and also learn variety of topic. So the target audience is the target range is 12 to 18 years old, which is this age range seen today. Teenagers will much rather read an article or on social media or gadget than in a magazine or newspapers. Yes, go. For the screenshot interface, the title page tag is used for project title and group member name. For the graphic character, graphic including background, cycling, clock, bus stop, and those in this project. So cycling clock is an animation for moving that use motion twinning, have a background music until the end frame. Animation style, the main character serves as a button to go to the next page. For this project, we put a sound or background music until the end frame, and all project is 100% user graphic. So my page is put text on anything that acts as a button so that when user hover over it, the text appear and there is also text on the dialogue. So for the animation is a dialogue box, kids guys as a button and then have a music background, and when the hover button sound will come out, animation style icon for the dialogue will come out the dialogue, traditional food, musical instrument, traditional games will go the traditional games page, and the wooden signboard to go to the credit page have been functioning as button. Next. For the traditional games, put text on each guide that has a function as a button, and when the user move over that button, the text will appear as well as the text in the dialogue. For dialog box, for the animation is dialog box disguised as a button navigation style. Click the dialog, will go to next dialog, and last dialog. Click the box, will go to the next to the quiz page. Click any guides button, we go to the next page for the explanation. Okay, wow, kuching is the explanation and list of the different types of the guides are provided in text and use text very now. And then for the animation is guides move by using motion twinning and can be moved any area navigation style box. First explanation we will to go to the next explanation guides that wow merah. Click the wow kucing to back the page traditional game for the guides when hover it will move. Okay, go. After wow, okay, stop. So for the wow merah and wow bulan, some as above, there is wow kucing, same step by step how to create the animation and navigation style. But the for wow bulan navigation style is bawah sikit. Okay, for navigation style, click the wow bulan to back the page traditional game and go to quiz. For the kites when hovered it will move. Okay, for the quiz, text is used for quiz question. And then for the animation is an answer function as button for song have a sound win and loss, but still have a music background navigation style. Click and choose any question after that will appear true or false. If true, just click the pause and go back to main page. If false, click the pause and try again. Last one is credit. For the part credit, put all information details student by using the text, book frame, trophy, and background is graphic. For the animation is book and trophy function as button navigate button. For the navigation style, click the book will bring to my page. Click the trophy will appear more values. So next for the reflection. For the reflection, what I have learned is in this subject or project is that I can improve my animation tendency. For example, I can learn how to use hover to make the kites move. Basically, make it a hover, then switch back to motion twinning. And in face, I have learning a lot. For the conclusion, I need to do a lot of studying to better my other animate skills so that I can be more creative when creating a project. So next. Okay, this is my CD design. We have a title and then table of content and the details, student name, ID, number, and cost. That's all my part.
So this is for my part. So my part, I did the musical instruments, which is will be the 4.0. So for the text that I've used for this project is that it will be the overlay for the buttons. By overlay, I meant the hover. So and the graphics will be the background, like the window, the plant, and the cat. The animation will be clicking the buttons for each musical instruments. The navigation style is that each musical instrument will bring you to the next page. So 4.1 is the tawa. So the text, I've used it for the dialogue, for explanation for the origin of the tawa. The graphic will be the background, which is the bench, plant, and window. The animation will be Tok Dalang, where you click him and it leads you to a dialogue. And clicking the tower again will bring you to the main page. Audio is when you click the tower and it will brings you to the sound of it. And navigation style is when you clicking Tok Dalang for dialogue and the tower to go back to the main page. So 4.2 is Maracas. The text would be the dialogue for the explanation for the origin of Maracas. The graphic would be the background, which is the bench, window, carpet, and the cat. So the animation will be Tok Dalang and the Maracas. Audio is when you overlap the Maracas and you give you the sound of it. So the navigation style will be when you click Tok Dalang and it will bring you to a dialogue and the Maracas for the main page. Rabina for 4.3, Rabina would be the text for the dialogue, for the explanation of the origin of Rabina. The graphic will be the background, which is bench, window, carpet, and the fairy lights. The animation will be Tok Dalang in the Rabina. Audio is when you overlap the Rabina. So navigation style is when you click Tok Dalang and it will pop up a dialogue and Rabina for the main page. So here we have the traditional food. Text in here will be the overlay for each food. The graphic in here will be the couch, the fishbowl, and the window. The animation is the food and Tok Dalang. So navigation style is when you click the food and it goes back and it goes to their own pages. 5.1 Nasi Kerabu. Text in here will be the dialogue from Tok Dalang. The graphic in here will be the picture frame, the plant, and the table. The animation is for the Nasi Kerabu and Tok Dalang. Navigation style is when you click to dalam, a dialog will appear. And when you click nasi kerabu, it will bring you back to the main page of traditional food. So 5.2 is kuih bukti nangka. Text in here will be the explanation for bukti nangka from dalam. The graphic in here will be the background, which is the carpet and the pictures, frames, and fishbowl. The animation will be the kuih bukti nangka and tok dalam. Navigation style is when clicking tok dalam, it will appear a dialog and it will bring you back to the main page, which is by clicking the kuih nangka. So lastly, kuih angkok. So the text in here is when it will be used for the explanation for kuih angkok from tok dalam. The graphic in here will be the picture frame, fishbowl, and the table. The animation will be the kuih angkok and tok dalam. Navigation style is when clicking tok dalam that and it will appear a dialog, and clicking the kuih angkok, it will bring you back to the main page. So this is the credit. For the credit part, we put information detail student by using text, and then there is book frame, trophy, and background as the graphic. For the animation is book and trophy, and it functions as a button. Navigation style is when you click the book and it will bring you back to the main page. Clicking the trophy will appear moral values. And this is my reflection. This is my second time having a subject that has to do with work in adult anime. I've learned that you can do other things than just animating or drawing in adult anime. I've learned how to do button, which is really cool because I can create a mini gameplay with the software. I was able to learn that I can loop in the audio and learn how to things move like motion train. The multimedia element helped me really well. I began to understand using the Adobe Animate and how it will increase my creativity with the artwork I provided. I would like to learn more about this software because it's very interesting and easy to learn. Not to mention, I've learned how to put audio over the buttons and it's really fun to use. So this is our CD design. So that's all.
So I will show you my part at Adobe Animate. So that is all for my part. So that is part the.
So this is my part for the final project. That's all from me. Thank you.